Welcome to day 71 of me backtesting my way to success. First trade was a break even, and the reasons why I entered were this 4-hour fair value gap, equilibrium from the swing high to the swing low. Once it was inside of the golden zone, I entered on a break of structure in the lower time frames. Right here, take profit was the swing low, stop loss above the fair value gap with a little breathing room. And once price was like right here, I moved my stop loss to break even because it looked like price was going to reverse before taking out my take profit, which it did. And also a reason as to why I moved my stop loss to break even was because price took out this area of liquidity, as you can see, with this huge wick. And that's actually a really decent area of liquidity which it took out. And so that's why I moved my stop loss to the break even. Let's just see how the next trade goes. Next trade was a huge win, and the reasons why I entered were, as you can see from the previous trade, the swing low to the swing high, and then there's this area at the bottom. And this area is just the area where price is most likely to reverse at, and or to reverse to and then react with some confluences, if possible, if there are confluences, And so at this area, I looked for something. I saw this 3-hour order block, as you can see, as well as this small 4-hour fair value gap right here. And yeah, that's basically it. And I entered on a break structure in the lower time frames, a really good one at that. So right here, stop loss below this low with a little breathing room. But my stop loss was very tight, but so that was risky. And my TPs were number one, this volume area of like this consolidation right here. And my second take profit was at this area of liquidity. It really stood out. I didn't want to place another TP at this swing high because that would have been kind of greedy, especially with the risk reward ratio. It would have been very, very huge. And I've already gotten 2 TPs, so I'm fine with 2 TPs, And so let's just see how the next trade goes. Next trade was another win, and the reasons why I entered were this 4-hour order block right here, daily fair value gap right here, equilibrium from the swing high to the swing low. Once it was inside of the golden zone, entered on a break structure. I entered right here on this break structure. Stop loss was above the order block with a lot of breathing room actually. And take profits were number one, this area of liquidity, and number two, the swing low. Both TPs were hit. Let's just see how the next one goes. And the last trade of today's episode was another win. And the reasons why I entered were daily fair value gap right here, equilibrium from the swing low to the swing high. And I was looking for an order block kind of thing inside of the golden zone. I found it in the 1 hours. And so I entered on a break structure in the lower time frames. Once it was inside of the golden zone, and that was right here. Take profits were number one, this area of liquidity. Number two, this area of liquidity. First TP had a risk reward ratio of 3 already. That's why I was kind of like considering about not entering, but I gave my stop loss enough breathing room, so that was fine. And damn, I have to say, yesterday and I think even the day before that, or definitely yesterday and today, huge winning streak. As you can see right here, 9 trades, 100% won. Although there were like a couple of break evens, but still not a single loss and almost 10 trades. That is pretty insane. If you look at it now, if I take another trade with only one take profit and I lose it, I still have a win rate of 90%, which is fucking insane. So I'm pretty hyped, and we'll see you in the next one.